Just starting on a video and don't know which editor to use? Then in this video, you'll know it all. Hey guys, welcome to my channel LIGHTWORKS. And in today's video, I'm going to bring before you all the video editing softwares starting from free to expensive ones. And remember, all the video editors which I tell in this video will be linked in the description. Okay, I'm going to start with the free to use video editors. First, HITFILM Express. This video editing software is no less than the paid softwares up in the list. There is nothing you can't do in this software. It is used by professional editors. It is available on Windows and Mac OS. Second one, VINCI Resolve. Now who doesn't know VINCI Resolve? It is free, awesome, cool and whatnot. Some of the famous movies such as Black Lightning and The Perfect Woman have used the software to edit their movies. It is available on Windows and Mac OS. Third one, VSDC free video editor. There are two versions of VSDC, free and the paid one. I will cover the paid one further on. It has a better software and you can easily edit in it. It can even do complex functions like chroma key, etc. It is only available on Windows. LIGHTWORKS. It is referred to as the best online video editor. It has some cool and important features and can be used to share your work easily. It is available on Windows, Mac and Linux. Fifth one, Shortcut. This software is very useful for audio and can be used to edit small amounts of video. It is available on Windows, Mac and Linux. Sixth, Blender. It is not a video editor for shots taken on a camera, but is very useful for creating 3D animations of high quality. 7. OPENSHOT. It has an easy to use user interface. It can be used for basic editing such as cropping, scaling, etc. It can be downloaded in Linux, Mac and Windows. 8. Movie Maker 10, also known as Windows Movie Maker. It is a software specially designed for Windows. It can be used to merge photos and videos quickly. Okay, now we'll move on to the paid softwares. First one, Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you talk about editing, the first software that comes in mind is Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe has mastered in making the software. It is so good that all YouTube channels use the software. It can be downloaded in Windows and Mac and has a price of $19.99 per month. Second one, Final Cut Pro X. Okay, whoever uses Mac, this is meant for them. It is so good that it is in the top list of the best softwares. But the main problem is it can be only used in Mac. It has a one-time price of $299.99. Third one, Adobe Premiere Elements. This is a predecessor of Adobe Premiere Pro. The only difference is that it is for beginners. It has a user-friendly interface and is comparatively easy to learn. The main advantage is that if you stop on your laptop, you can easily switch to your phone and start editing there. It has a price of $59.99 and can be downloaded in Windows and Mac. Adobe Rush. Adobe Rush is like Premiere but for Android and iOS. It is very useful as it is very convenient and awesome. You can easily edit anything anywhere in the world, of course because of your phone. It has a decent price of $9.99 per month. Fifth one, FILMORA 9. FILMORA 9 is very good. I personally use the software. I myself got used to it in under 2 weeks. It is so simple to use. You can buy an annual subscription for $39.99 or a lifetime license for $69.99. I prefer buying the lifetime license as it is the perfect value. Sixth one, CYBERLINK POWERDIRECTOR. This is an awesome, serious video editor. You can do literally anything with this. It has high class text animation and whatnot. It is a seriously cool software. It has a price tag of just $4.33 a month. Seventh one, PINNACLE Studio. This editor is just next to ADOBE. It is awesome and everyone buys it for its reasonable price. It has two versions, Plus and the Ultimate. They have a price tag of $69.95 and $89.95 respectively. 8. FILMORA Pro. It is a better and best version of FILMORA 9. You can mask, change skylight, which you can't in FILMORA. It, like FILMORA 9, has a lifetime license that costs $149.99. Some other softwares are VINCI Resolve Studio, which costs $350. LIGHTWORKS Pro, which is $24.99 per month. VSDC Pro is for $19.99 per month. So guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.